Hello everyone, this is Alicia, also known as AVP60685. I know you guys can't see me, but you can hear me definitely. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes. And I'm always saying I'm going to show you, and I keep trying. So today, finally, I'm going to do it. So today I'm going to show you how to make my cheesy vegetarian lasagna. Now this has absolutely no meat in it and no ricotta cheese. So what I start out is with 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. You can use any kind. This one is the Classico organic tomato, herbs, and spices. I've got it on the stove, which is in this larger pan. You can use a smaller one, but I'm just using this larger one right now. And I've also got 2 small onions chopped already, which I'm getting ready to add in. Now I start out with the sauce being cold because it'll get hotter once it's cooked and it's baked in the oven. And I'm going to eventually use a larger pan, this large pan here, which I believe it's yes, it's 8 by 11.5 and 2 inches, and so this one will hold my lasagna comfortably, and I typically use that. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to use my spoon, which is basically just a regular tablespoon. Stir it up till my onion is all blended up in here. And I'm tasting it right now, and I see that I need a little bit of seasoning. So I'm going to use my 2 favorite seasonings, crushed red peppers. You can omit this if you choose to not have spice. I choose to add it. I also sometimes had jalapeno, but since I really don't have any jalapeno, I'm just going to use that. And because I don't have any bell peppers, I'm just using that as well. So I'm going to stir that up. And it's not quite to my taste specification, so I'm going to add my next favorite one, which is an Italian season. This is the McCormick Perfect Pinch one. I don't want to have this side open though, because that will put too much. So I'll go to the other side, which is this side. And I'm going to close that. And now I'm going to mix that up. And you can use garlic, but I typically just use what I have on hand right now, since I only have those seasonings. That's the ones I'm using. I think I need one more thing of crushed red peppers. I'm going to have this open a little bit on this side. Not a whole lot though. Oops. May have used a little too much. But like I said, you can use any kind of spaghetti sauce with this. Okay. Okay. So that's finally to my liking. So I'm going to turn this on low heat. And I will come back in a few minutes, hopefully, and this will be cooked a little bit, and then we will start assembling the lasagna and get it ready for baking. Okay guys, so we are back. My sauce is bubbling a little bit, so I'm going to turn it off. and we're going to start assembling. What I use for my lasagna noodles is what you can get at the dollar store, and these are Columbia oven ready lasagna, and this is the cheese I'm going to use with it. Mexican style cheese, the Kirkland brand. You can use any kind of cheese. This is the one I typically use though. So let's get ready to start assembling. Okay everyone, so this is the first layer. Basically you start with a layer of sauce, then I'm going to put another layer of sauce above this, and I'm going to put cheese above that, so hang on for that layer. Alright, so this is layer number 1. So as you can see, I've added cheese and I've added my sauce, so we're getting ready to add our second layer. I'm putting 4 in a row, so what I'm doing is I'm putting them like this, then putting the second one a little bit close. It's okay if they touch each other. It's totally okay if they touch each other, because mine do all the time. And I'm going to add my 4th one right here, like so. And we're going to add our sauce. Let me pause this for a second so I can get this last little bit. Alright guys, so there is my lasagna assembled, and I'm going to put it, what my trick is to put it on a baking sheet like this. That way if it spills out of the pan, it'll, so I'm going to put it like so. And my tip is that you put it on 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. So hang on while I put this in the oven, and then we'll come back and see how it looks once it's done. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, we are back and we've got the lasagna out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? So I'm going to let that cool for a couple of minutes, and while that's cooling, I've also got some roast vegetables in here. So I'm going to let you guys take a look. I'm going to roast, what I did was I roasted these in olive oil, and I'm going to be roasting them for about 15 minutes or so. And basically what I did was I put olive oil, put it on 425, and I also used this seasoning called, let me get my camera focused where you guys can see what I'm looking at. So it's called this tagine. It's actually a Spanish seasoning that is used. Tagine. So this is what it looks like when it's basically older, but when it's brand new, because I have a brand new one here that I have not opened yet. So that's basically what it looks like when it's brand new, and that's the newest one. So basically I'm going to roast that in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. But as you guys can see, the lasagna is ready and ready to go. But basically my meal is halfway finished. But basically the main point of the video to show you guys how to make my cheesy lasagna is ready. As you guys can see, it's ready much quicker than an hour. Your oven may take a little bit longer. Mine takes about 45 minutes. Sometimes it takes a little bit less, but basically that's what cheesy lasagna looks like, the way I prepare it. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's, like I said, it's a very easy dish to make. I enjoy making this a lot. Quick, simple, basically just spaghetti sauce, a little bit of Italian seasoning, which you can buy almost anywhere really nowadays. Onions, a little bit of crushed red peppers if you prefer spice. If you don't, you can forego that. You can also add a little bit of jalapeno if you want to. If you don't, you don't have to. You can use them with any kind of cheese. The lasagna noodles, I typically use the ones that don't require steaming beforehand. These say basically no boiling required, and I get these from the dollar store, and it's 12 ounces. Yes, 12 ounces. You guys can see it right there. So I typically just use a little bit of it. You can use more. If you have a larger family, you would use 2 pans. But for me and my mom, we just use 1 pan, and this is basically our lasagna. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a very special episode of me showing you guys how to cook one of my special recipes. Hope you guys love it as much as I love cooking it. Take care now, guys, and I will see you guys in another video. If you guys want to see me do more cooking videos, let me know. If you're new to my channel, I'm AVP60685 or Alicia Victoria Parker. And I basically do everything from video walkthroughs to vlog videos to now cooking videos. So if you guys want to see more, let me know. If not, we'll just say, okay, that was fun for the trial. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys another time. Bye!